This is a demonstration video for the new Expo Bar New Elegance 2 group. Down below we have our main power switch, pressure gauge. Up above you have your steam handle. The top two buttons turn your groups on and off. You got your hot water. As you can hear, the machine actually kicked on the automatic refill, and we're going to do a double shot. The other side, we'll do a single shot. Real quick. Below, just to show you, we have our drain. This is your connection to the drain hose. You have your water line that connects here, that's coming in from the wall. Connect your line here. If you have any more questions, please give us a call at 817-640-3131. Thank you.